You can make any business page. You can also make a page in which you are involved. It could be your own page as well, a brand page. I go to this is called hamburger icon. I go to this hamburger icon. I can see pages. When I click on pages, it gives me an option to create on the top. So I go to create. Now it asks me to get started. Now it asks me which category my page belongs to. For example, let's say if we are building a page which is related to clothing, boutique, etc. So I'm writing clothing. So I'm writing a clothing brand. What does it is? It's apparel and clothing. For example, write, let's say apparel and clothing. Then you can, if you want to choose more category, you can also choose it out here. Done. Next. So you need to name your page now. Let's say we name our page as let's say XYZ. I'm just putting it XYZ boutique. Done. Next. Now it asks me that if I want to add my address or not. So I have just added. I don't want to add an address. If you want to add an address, you can add. Next. Now it asks me to add a profile picture and a cover picture. Let's say now I want to add a profile picture. It would be, for example, if I really right now, I can do done. I can even add it later on. For example, I want to add it right now. What I'll do is I'll go to Canva. I can design a simple logo for my brand. Let's say I go here. It gives me an option of logo. I clicked on that logo. Say I just clicked on, let's say I like this template, for example. You can always choose the free templates for free. XYZ boutique. And done. If I want to put that flower, I can. If I want to change the colors, I can change. So if I want to change this color to, let's say, I'm changing this color to black. So if I choose black from here, I've chosen black. Done. Now I can even move it wherever I want to. I just moved it to the center and I have downloaded it. So you can click on the download button. It'll ask me download. So you can put download. So I've simply created an image. Similarly, I can also, and it's saved to my camera roll. Similarly, I want to create a Facebook cover. I go here. I can even search above Facebook cover. Let's say I searched Facebook cover and I get a lot of templates out here. For example, I can choose some template. Let's say this, anyone, you can use anyone and customize any. Let's say I choose this template. So it's written style meets serendipity. I can also style meet serene simplicity. Whatever I want to write, I can. And I can even change the font. So I'm writing style meets fashion. Now since this font is not that much visible and readable, so I can also change the font out here. Say I'm changing the font to this style meets fashion. I can also change different fonts I can use. So I've just put style meets fashion. Here if I want to change the picture, let's say I'm putting a picture of any pictures which I have, or even if you don't have, you can choose some online pictures. So I've just chosen some pictures and it's done, and I put download. So in similar fashion, I have created a profile picture and I've created a cover image. All we have to do right now is upload them on Facebook once the design is downloaded. You can customize these designs. You can use a lot of different templates. So I add a profile picture, use, and I add a cover picture. So I'm doing this way, save. So recently I just added both of them, a cover picture and a profile picture. And all you have to do is press done and your page is ready. Now as you already made your cover pictures and your profile picture, you can similarly put any other thing, any post you can create. We just also checked how to remove